This is a short tutorial on how to manage users of Ashes and how to manage their licenses if you're an IT person in an organization, for example, or a professor with students. So what you have to do is go to our website, simis.io, and then log into your account here. So I'm already logged in, so I have my name here, but if you don't, then you have to enter your username and which is your email address and your password. So you will have a section that's called company account. If you don't, you get in touch with us. For this to work, we have to create a group and make you the admin of this group. So we'll create the group with whichever name, add you to the group and make you an admin. If you want to change the name, you can go to data and put whichever name you want. So this is the University of Winter Vines. And then, you just come here and invite users. So you would say, I'm going to invite Brad Pitts at h.com, for example. And then here you write a message and they will see this message. So, hi, Brad, please join. Okay, and so that's the invitation. Okay. And yeah, now I send the invitation here. And now they will receive an invitation. Either they have a group, either they have an account already or they don't. If they don't have an account in Simis, then they will get this message which says, Lou invited you to the user group University of Winter Vines, and a link here that they have to click to create an account with the email address that you used. If they already have an account, then they will get this one here, which just says, Lou added you to the user group, this, and that's all. So they don't need to do anything else. Their license will be updated, and yeah, they don't need to do anything else. Yeah, you can remove the invitation if you want, and then here you can manage your users. So right now there's only me as a user, but you could have more, and you could change their role. So if you want to add another admin, for example, or if you want to remove someone, when they get added to a group, they will be members by default. So that's pretty much it. I just want to show one last thing, which is what to do when you have like a long list of addresses and you don't want to type them all individually. And so I have a list here that I just randomly generated with ChatGPT. So basically, you can enter multiple addresses if they're comma separated. So what I've done in the past, but obviously you can do whatever you want, is just select my list, and in Excel you can copy it. So this here is to transpose the list, right? So if I copy like this, then it gets copied like this, and then I can copy in this horizontal configuration. And if I paste it, I like Notepad++, highly recommend it. But now you can just search and replace the tab with a comma. So search is Ctrl F, and I have it comma separated. And if I now copy this and I enter the email address, they just all get copied like this, and I can send the invitations. Oh yeah, and a message. And now send the invitation. And there you go. So all these people, if they had an account, would be automatically added to the group. So cool, that's all. Please don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any issue. Cool, see you around.